Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Maltese Gacha coin in Heartopia. So if you go to the puppy gacha machine, as you can see, you have these quests, and you'll get the coins by doing the quest. There's the daily one and there's the event one. So let's do the daily quest first. So here I'm just completing the last resident quest today. And I'm just going to give this one. Okay. And if you go back here to the puppy gacha machine, you'll get the Maltese gacha coin. I only have 5 right now. But you can, okay, you'll need 10 minimum to draw, and every 9 draws guarantee a Maltese set until all claimed. So I think you'll get all this guaranteed or something. And then maybe if you get duplicates, you'll be able to exchange it. I'm not sure yet on how this one works because for this one, it is the Maltese token and it is not the Maltese gacha coin. So I'm just going to do these quests first. Maybe just do the easier ones. Like this one, water for another DG member. Just water their plants and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to water their plants here. Then I'll go back here to claim the token, and then I'm just going to draw. So you can draw a lot of times, but I can only draw once. So draw one time, and let's see what I get. Okay, you do get some Maltese tokens as well. You won't get the item immediately, I think. And here you are able to purchase the recipes, but I'll do that in a separate video. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!